girl. And when they call me that, it's a fact, girl. Oh, you didn't know? Don't try to act, girl. You know you see me coming.
Hey loves, it's your girl Chi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the perfect burgundy hair color using no bleach. This hair is from Cynosure Hair. They were good to send me a lace frontal wig, and inside the bag you have this card, a weaving cap, 3D mink lashes, and the wig is an 18-inch body wave wig, 210 density. It's a really pretty lace frontal wig. Check out the luster on this hair, and it's super full and very soft. The frontal also comes pre-plucked, so customization is really easy. To dye this hair, we're going to be using the L'Oreal High Color in magenta, red, and true violet. You also need some 40 volume developer. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to be taking the color and depositing it into a bowl. I cut the end of the tube just to make it easier to get all the product out because I'm trying to get my money's worth, sis, okay? And I'm just stirring it together with the 40 volume developer, trying to get like a creamy consistency. I don't want it too thick, not too thin. This look is perfect for my girls who are nervous to try color because this is more of a wearable red, purple, burgundy hair color. So take your Got2b glue sprayed and protect your lace so you won't have any like dye on your lace. And now I'm just going to distribute the color all over the hair. I start in the front in case I, run out of hair color or, mess up. It's easier to hide the mess ups in the back than in the front. So my goal for this color was like a really pretty deep wine color, like a purplish red. I really didn't want red hair. I wanted more purple without it, being purple. And this is how the color ended up coming out. It's a red wine kind of color, like maybe a deep cherry kind of color. Oh, like a plum. Yes, it's giving plum vibes. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna straighten the hair. And I do want to say this hair was so silky after I straightened it. Like, y'all, I felt like I gave the hair a silk press. I was like, wow, this is some really good quality hair. Truthfully, very impressed. Now it's time for the install transformation, so I'm just going along my hairline with some alcohol so that I can get my frontal to stick perfectly, and I'm applying my wig cap. Here I'm cutting off my wig cap with some small scissors. And I'm just going to add some makeup to the wig cap before I put the wig on, just so it can blend a little better. And I forgot to show y'all what the inside of the wig looks like, but just some clips in the front and the back and the side, and then the elastic band in the back. So I'm just trying it on, trying to see where I want my hairline to start. and make sure that it fits. It fit really comfortably, by the way. So I'm using my bold hold glue, which right now is my favorite way to apply my frontal. Oh, sis, ignore them ashy hands. I'm doing about 2 layers of the bold hold glue. And now I'm just gluing down the wig. Yes, I was feeling the hair color. So I'm using an eyebrow razor just to, cut off that excess lace. And I'm tweezing the wig on my head. I found that tweezing the wig on my head is easier for me to like get my, desired hairline. So I wanted a side part with this look, so that is what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get like the perfect, cute, side part with a little bit of a swoop, not like a crazy swoop, but you know what I'm saying, I just can't get over how realistic my parting looks. Like, doesn't that look so good, y'all? Right here, I'm working on the baby hair. I wanted like my baby hairs to be laid, honey, laid. Okay? Realistic baby hair, get into it, sis. I'm just layering the front of my hair a little just to frame my face. Alright loves, so this is the completed look. Burgundy hair, absolutely no bleach. The hair is super soft. It came out really pretty, and it's even prettier in the sun, y'all. It's just a lot of dimension to the color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.